legal authority at which she had they withdrawn with prejudice. Okay. You see that, Raytown? Yeah, because I would question that too. You couldn't go to case of court for five times and they don't check the case. But it's interesting. It depends on the circumstances though of the ticket. Mr. Buck is not that special. It has nothing to do, John. It has nothing to do with being special. It has nothing to do with being special. It has to do with the fact that the man have a constitutional right to challenge any decision, just as though ANJU Seriousness challenged the decision in the court. He have a right to challenge either. So he challenged it, and we will listen today if the Supreme Court said that the matter should be heard by the election petition. Raytown, that is interesting. I would love to. What was the? You don't mind telling us what was the ticket for, Raytown? You want to share with us what the ticket? Because that sounds very interesting. Knowledge and understanding. Knowledge and understanding. PMP is no good for Jamaica. I love her. That's your opinion, lover. You're entitled to your opinion, lover. You're entitled. Can you share the live, please? Share the live and touch up the likes, please, while we're here. Marsha Kentish joined. Thank you for joining, Marsha. Dujan, he's not special, but him have a right as a like anybody else. The court will dash it out the amount the PM won by. Dujan, you need to take note of the results and the sudden acceleration. It was for radar. Are you serious? That's unusual, man. That's unusual, Raytown. That's unusual. Dujan? Well, let's see. Let's see. Baskin, you are making some comment there, Baskin. But I don't think you have I don't think you have the competence of arguing ANJU's situation. You are just blindly rushing into something, but that yes, touch up the likes, please. Touch up the likes and touch up and which we post the likes and join me here as we stay until 10 o'clock and then we discuss various issues. So we're looking forward for the decision today in court. We're going to wait for the decision at 10 o'clock. I leave at 10 o'clock and by then I will hear if there's any decision at 10 that was supposedly done by PMTVJ to create a narrative. Dujan, what I want you to understand, Dujan, is that your Prime Minister have a lot of things answering to right now. Your Prime Minister today is waiting on an appeal by the Supreme Court to answer. Okay? Your Prime Minister is also waiting for the result of a judicial review pending his certification, and that must be certified. I refuse to be extorted by the police court, so I keep board a few wings of their buses. Okay, Raytown, that is Raytown. We have to be able to stand up for our right, and I must commend you for standing up for your right. I must commend you. Big up yourself, Bestie Powell, big up yourself. I don't know what the 1 p.m. mean. Remember, it is my PM who took the PMP's IC to court. Dujan, the IC has nothing to do with PMP. The IC has something to do with professionals who have served this country with distinction. Don't go there, and don't go there, Dujan. If you are questioning the persons in the Integrity Commission, you have to question ANJU Seriousness. If you're Dujan, I'm putting it to you that if you're questioning the integrity of the people in the IC, you have to question other integrity too, because there's a host of evidence there, substantial evidence, right, Dujan? So don't argue like that. No, the IC was appointed by your Prime Minister. The IC was appointed by your Prime Minister. Your Prime Minister changed about 3 or 4 different IC personnel. Don't forget that. So the argument about IC being PMP now is ridiculous. Because it is your Prime Minister who appoint the IC. Don't ever forget that. So don't come here, Dujan, with those rubbish. Don't come here. If you are questioning the integrity of a judge in Jamaica who have risen to the highest rank in Jamaica judicial system, that's an unfortunate statement, because our judges in Jamaica have served us with distinction. And you know that. The judges in Jamaica, you can't do the PMP nothing, you sound hurt. Yes, Dojan, not appointing, it was created JLP and PMP as children, the members. No, don't do that. Don't do that. You're Prime Minister. Appoint, select and appoint them. Look at the issue with the man who is appointed to the FID. What is that? After watering down the requirement. I don't have a problem, you know. I'm just looking at facts. Dujan, I'm going to encourage you, Dujan. I'm going to encourage you. When you speak on these matters, look at the facts. Joan Smackle, you will be here for 10 more years. Thank you. You give me 10 more years? Thank you, Joan, for 10 more years. Looking for that. And you know something, I've just celebrated 38 years of marriage. So if you give me 10 more years, that's good. Thank you for that. So when a system asks questions about one's integrity, it is the system that is at fault. Can you imagine? That's the question I'm asking. When a system asks about one's integrity, all you have to do is to prove your integrity. That's all you have to do. When your integrity is questioned, just prove it. When your character is questioned, just prove it. Thank you. One President 99. Thank you very much. Very interesting question, my lady. Because that's what it's all about, you know. That's what it's all about. When we question one's integrity, all you have to do, prove it. Prove that you are not what they say you are. So the excitement don't go anywhere. What we have before us right now is two matters to be determined by the court in terms of, one, the court decided already and went into an appeal, so the appeal to be heard. And then you have a situation where present evidence was presented based on what was presented by him. Just one, I am not paid by any political party. I'm a working man. I'm a working man who have worked all my life. Dujan said the PMPs thought they would have gotten rid of the PM. We are going to lock them up after the PM court case. Dujan, I really admire your enthusiasm, and I admire your stick-to-itiveness and your desire. You know what I wish the seed to run over Mr. Buck lose bigger. Okay. Dujan, it's interesting. Anyway, we have an interesting thing coming up. Interesting days ahead. And Dujan, don't forget Dujan. The man's statutory declaration must be certified. And you know what is happening? How many civil servants we have in Jamaica working at a salary above 3 million per year? And they're all subject to the scrutiny of the IC, you know. So how is it that after so many civil servants is only the PM there's an issue with it? All the other persons who are charged, they are charged. But what about the present one now? There's another guy there, no, Dujan, you don't say anything about that one. There's another guy there who is before the IC now. Dujan, don't Dujan, let me bring it. Let me walk you through the procedure. Dujan. After the investigation is completed, then if any evidence substantiate a matter of a charge, then the charge will be preferred. Yes, Mickey Natural. You'll come up here at 8 o'clock. We'll entertain discussion at 8 o'clock. No problem. Everybody can come and talk with me at 8 o'clock. I'm just chit-chatting here, looking at my sponsors. My sponsor today is WeShop 876. All of you here, I wanted to go and open an account on WeShop 876 by 10 o'clock. Open an account. So why them now charge him all now, since him in the wrong? John, stop don't ask. John, you're an intelligent young man. You're a Jamaican who live overseas, and you're an intelligent young man. You don't charge people until after investigation is completed. Baskin, I'm going to allow you to come up here, but before you come up here, go and get the facts about the 6.7 billion. Baskin, I'm going to send you. Go and get the information. Understand what the 6.7 billion contains. It's important. Go on the IMF website and it is all there. Listen to the interview with the permanent secretary and get the information as it relates to the 6.7 billion. The $6.7 billion, that is an initiative that Jamaica should be taking up. Jamaicans, let us take time out and look at these things ourselves. Can we have a word with you, please? Yes, Mickey, I said that we will talk. You can send me a request at 8 o'clock. We'll talk at 8 o'clock. Yes, Mickey. The IC says there's no investigation into the PM. So what you? Dojan, listen and learn. Dojan, listen and learn. At this stage, the matter as it relates to the FID and the income tax department, those matters are before an industrial they ask for a judicial review. Those matters are before a judicial review. Remember, your Prime Minister presented 28 matters, okay, for the judicial review. Judicial review throw out 25. 25 out of the 28 was thrown out, leaving 3. Okay? The judicial review will be examining those 3, and the examination will look at whether or not the procedure taken. The Prime Minister, your Prime Minister asked for it, and he rightfully so is entitled. Just like our Buchanan has asked for a judicial review. Now we are on the same page, John. Just as how the Prime Minister has asked for a judicial review, just as how Buchanan asked for the judicial, we are all. And tomorrow, John, if they charge you tomorrow for that little thing there, that little comment there, if they charge you for that little comment, you have a right to ask the court to review. Okay. So if he was guilty, why would he ask for a review? Oh Lord, Dojan, you don't understand, Dojan? They presented a report and they solved the 2 matters, 2 issues for the FID to investigate. Let me tell you some of the case. For example, Dojan, the matter with respect to the investment with this money there, that is under review. The issue with asking the court to struck out the Integrity Commission Act. Remember, he asked to struck out the act, you know. Remember that? He asked to struck out the... I'm not tired. I'm good, Daniel. I'm good. So, John, you need to get to the facts. Well, what? Well, that is what you get when you tell him he's an intelligent young man. You don't think of course he's intelligent. You don't think he's intelligent, 1 President 999? Of course he's an intelligent young man. But he's intelligent in some particular areas. And he's daft in certain areas. And we're all like that. I know nothing about certain things. Certain things I don't know anything about. Ask me about accounting, I can answer you. Give me the timeline of when the FID was investigated. The matter is before the FID. You know, his friend is appointed there. You know that? So when the judicial review is completed, then, depending on the result of the judicial review, then the tax department and the FID will have to complete their review of those matters that are presented to them. They will then present their findings to the IC, and the IC will now determine whether or not the Prime Minister's statutory declaration will be certified. That's the issue, you know, John. So let us back up and understand what is happening. It's important. Take time out, understand what is happening. Take time out and look at the situation. Don't look at the rumor. Don't look at the speculation. Don't look, Mr. Ingram, you and I know very well the FID has never investigated. Oh, Lord. Dojan, the matter was referred to the FID. And at that point, Dojan, the Prime Minister stood in Parliament and advised the nation. And then he go to the Supreme Court with 28 matters. Remember? 28. 3 minutes time you can join me. 3 minutes time you can join me. He then went to the Supreme Court with 28 matters. The Supreme Court threw out 25 because they were frivolous. And, you know, and judicial review take 2 stages. The first stage is that they review the material they present to them. And they determine whether or not the law lords, then people referred, yes, referred. What referred mean? When the matter is referred to an investigation department. And you know something, Dujan? I would never want any matter I've dealt with as an accountant to be referred to the FID. When I complete a financial statement and present it to the bank or the income tax department, I would never one day want one of those financial statements to be referred to. Because, you know something? Not only don't read their integrity report, the accountant who complete those reports have also referred to investigation also, you know. Yes. So you can join me now. Yes. No, you're not referred. All right. So it's now 7:59, and people can now join me for the discussion. We can now chit chat. So you can come up here, Dujan, if you want to come up here now. And we'll advocate is coming first. You're invited now to join me. And have a chit chat anytime. Advocator.
Give me 1 second, Mr. Ingram.
Okay. Mr. Ingram, if I refer a client to you, does that mean you take that client? Yes. If you refer a client to me, when the client comes to me, I look at the client's material, whatever the client have, and I determine whether or not I am going to work for him. Maybe it brings something to me that has no merit. I can't work for him. Yeah, that's correct. What happened to choice now? You understand, Dujan? I'm sorry that matters like these, you're not more au fait with them, because you would be asking these questions. And it's unfortunate. You're asking questions like those. It's interesting. Buddy, morning Anthony, morning buddy.
Yeah, man.
Buddy,
Yeah.
good morning.
Good morning.
Noel, who do the podcast from England, that blogger Noel, he asked me to send him your information. He want to assist you. He want to give you some assistance. So the guy Noel, you ever gone his blog? You ever gone his show?
Are you sure?
You ever gone his blog? Noel, yes. He had a show. Look him up. He's Noel. And he's glad you say. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'm going to have discussion now, Judge. If you want to come up here, come up here. Glad you say that the case was never referred because Price. Come on, said that the PM didn't have a case. You're mixing up issues, Dujan. The matter that the lady said, Kamika said, it was a case pertaining to the parents' bank accounts. That's a different thing. You're mixing up the thing, man. You don't understand. You're mixing up the things. Yes, brother. So I'm going to give him a number for him to get in touch with you.
You could have given my number and time to call me.
Dujan, give him back your number. Give him back your number. Not Dujan. Bada, give him back your number. Give him back your number. Give him back your number.
All right.
You can give me now?
Yeah, man. I'll give you.
Yes. I can't come on. Okay, no problem, Dujan. Respect. We can't go. But I'm gonna ignore your comment because I'm gonna chit chat now with advocate and some people.
Huh?
Yeah, Mr. Ingram.
Yes.
I came up, good morning, and everybody else that is listening to you.
Morning.
I came up to say to you this morning, Mr. Ingram, do not let this guy send your blood pressure up. Because this guy don't have a clue as to what is going on in the realms of whatsoever is happening in Jamaica.
Yes,
you understand what I'm saying to you? He does not understand simple logics and simple reasoning. So when he's up there typing and all these things, it doesn't make any sense. He's like a distractor to your program.
Yes,
if you come with an agenda this morning, we need to go off with the agenda that you come with and start letting these persons come up and distract and you understand? So more mute and make you get the number from Buddy.
From Baka. Yeah, mute it, yeah. Go ahead, Buddy. Give me a number.
The number is 229-868. Alright? I don't have a zero at the end.
229-868. Buddy, give me.
Number
give me the complete number. You give me 229-868.
Number is 229-868. Something like
Thank you. Buddy. Yeah, buddy. So I intend to I'm going to also touch base with you. I'm going to definitely.
Yeah, come I go down Friday.
You're going down Friday. All right, cool.
So he could have buy more black.
Yes, no problem. So you get some black already?
Yeah, I get some black, but and them say to go want some more.
Okay. So you start actually lay black already?
Yeah, man. Them say to go want some more.
No, I'm asking you if you start to lay black
about
already.
200 more.
You start to lay black already?
Yeah, man. Let me tell you, man. I tell you some black start. I start lay foundation.
Beautiful. That is Badder. That is Buddy from Westmoreland. Buddy from Westmoreland. He came on the other night and we want to stand with him. We're going to stand with him, definitely.
Your friend, there are some people.
Ralston, who's Ralston?
They answer when they want.
Ralston? You're here, Ralston. You're here, you're nice to do.
So, look at my car. Mr. Ingram, look at my.
Yes. All right, take care, buddy. Take care.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Ingram, back to what I was saying, right?
Yeah, man.
You see the thing about it, you see it, when you talk things in the facts, Mr. Ingram, look what I'm typing at the comment. Just look how illiterate he is. Right? He doesn't even know who is talking to him. But look how illiterate he is. Yeah, that's what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's clear that Dujan don't either I said to Dujan some time ago that either Dujan is not fair or is daft to what is happening, because straightforward.
His mental capacity, his mental intellect need to be examined.
My apologies, President. One president said me tell him say I'm intelligent. But one president did say I shouldn't tell him he's president. He's intelligent. You know something, Dudan? The last person I saw come up here the other night and challenge a man about his qualification. And when the man present his broad gold seal qualification and about to pull up his master's degree, the man disappear right away. So we're not going to talk about qualifications here. We're not going to talk. Dujan, let me say to you, you obviously do not. It's either you don't understand some basic things or you're being dishonest. Because when you mention about Kamika saying the man has no case to answer to, that's a notorious lie. Kamika spoke, Tamika said the man has no case to answer as it relates to the 4-back book that was in his parents' name. And you know that. So don't come here and lie.
But if the man didn't have anything to answer to, right, Mr. Ingram,
Yes.
why would he file an injunction in
Yes.
court?
If you have no case to answer, if your books are clean and everything is all right, why you file and
Now you
review?
understand the intellectual capacity of this young man that is texting.
Yes. What you're talking about here? Uncle Agent, we're talking about current affairs, different things. I'm going to move from that now, though. I'm going to move from that. This morning, I'm going to focus. Thank you very much, One President. Thank you very much. Dujan, another day I'll get back to you. Advocate, this morning my program will be looking at the comment made by the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister made a comment a few days ago that 20 years ago or 30 years ago, we could not have gone to the international market for loan. And when I heard that comment, that's another blatant, notorious statement that should not be made by a Prime Minister of Jamaica. Should never be made by a Prime Minister of Jamaica. Because the most glaring one, 30 years ago, and let all the persons who support ANJU Seriousness, and I'm calling him again, 30 years ago, let all the persons who support the current Prime Minister, the current JLP government, 30 years ago, Jamaica, through the Prime Minister of PJ Patterson, said bye-bye to the International Monetary Fund. So it is kind of weird for anybody to come here to say that 30 years ago we couldn't go to they couldn't go to the financial IMF or the World Bank. Making a statement like that, you clearly don't understand what you're talking about. When you're coming up here, very important, when you're coming here to join me on my platform, please, it's important that you mute your mic. You come up here, you mute your mic, because if you don't mute your mic, you're gonna make the thing noisy, and we don't need that. We need to be able to communicate with our bloggers and communicate with who want to join me. Thanks for the likes, share the likes. Baskin, you want to chat to me about this morning, Baskin? You ain't gonna know he meant going on your feet and not on your knees to the multitude. Tap your rubbish. He said you couldn't, 20, 30 years you couldn't go. 30 years ago, PJ Patterson was leaving the international monetary market, the IMF. He paid off the IMF and moving from them. You sound like you don't have no sense neither. You sound like you don't have any sense either. 30 years ago, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, PJ Patterson, was leaving, paid off the IMF and said bye-bye. So you can't come here now and tell Jamaica that 30 years ago we couldn't go to the International Monetary Fund. That's a notorious statement. You are misleading. Don't touch up the likes, please. We'll be here for another 2 hours. Can you touch up the likes and share, please? Touch up the like and share and join me. The other point we're looking at, 20 years. That's not correct. 20 years ago, we got a $200 million loan. The same here 20 years ago. So let us look at facts. PJ leave because he had to kiss. You're hopeless. I'm not going to respond to you anymore. You're hopeless. Jamaicans, I'm pointing to the fact. The Prime Minister of Jamaica told Jamaica the other day that 20 years ago, we could not go to the International Monetary Fund, and 30 years ago. That is not true. The fact of the matter is that 30 years ago, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who was then PJ Patterson, said pay off the loan, pay off all the money Jamaica owe, and said bye-bye. It's you all Jamaican. You know what I find ridiculous? We can all go on the IMF website and all those information are there. So we ought not to be able to be sitting here and being told on the defamatory statement. Okay? It is important. The line is open. You can join me now. You can join me now. So I'm not going to read any more commenting back. You can join me. You can come and defend the point you're making. We're going to ask, I'm also asking for anybody who happened to see MP Floyd Green. We're looking at the issue of parity. Parity need assistance. We need to cover those graves in parity. The cosmetics of it can't be right. We are saying that the sea would have passed through and wash out those tombs and grave, what have you. We need at least 6 or 7 dumper truck with dirt and cover those things right now. Thank you, user 9699666. I mean, we thank you for that because we cannot. But you know what is unfortunate? I'm saying it's unfortunate because we cannot come here and try to give Jamaica the falseness. It is wrong. It is absolutely wrong. We have no need to do that. We have no need to do that. There's a clear, we have information that is at our fingertips today. Information today. Please, 50-something people here, please touch up the likes, and we touch up the likes and ensure we share it and we keep on chit-chatting. We're here for 2 more hours. Alright? So we don't want to waste time on issues that are not correct. Today is the big up yourself, Evie, big up yourself. Today is December 8th and we have a court decision today. We're looking forward for that court decision. We are looking forward to hear what exactly that court will decide. Yes. What they're up to. I don't know why advocate jump off. If he box, he was it. I don't know. Okay. You want to come up here, Extreme? I have a writ against you in the Extreme because I noticed that we're not here from you. Yesterday, when I came on, I was wondering what is happening. The speaker of the house was nowhere to be found yesterday. I don't know what is happening. Send me a request because I'm putting good morning, Michelle. Morning, Michelle. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Join me in the back. We can chit chat. Yeah. Teach. Morning, Teach.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Not bad.
I saw the video. I've been reposting the video with the people at